Well, hello, friends. Welcome back. I've got a story I want to share with you. It's called Skeleton Hiccups by Marjorie Coiler. Now, if you've ever had the hiccups before, oh, excuse me, sometimes they can be pretty annoying. Pretty annoying. So here, around Halloween time, Skeleton gets it. Oh, excuse me, hiccups. Guess the hiccups. So here we go. Skeleton woke up. Whoop. Had the hiccups. Whoa. Oh, I got straight a page. So there he woke up with the hiccups. He took a shower. Took a shower. Notice he dropped the bar of soap out of the shower because he got the hiccups. He probably lost control there. He brushed his teeth. Oh, look at that. His jaw went flying. Oh, my goodness. I guess that's what happens when you're nothing but bones. He polished his bones. So there's a little bone polish. He polished his bones. Just trying to do anything to get his mind off of it. He carved the pumpkin. Still got the hiccups. He raked some leaves. Whoa. He played with Ghost. So he and Ghost are playing ball. Excuse me. Ghost told Skeleton, hold your breath. Oh, still got him. Eat some sugar. Still there. Put your fingers over your eyes. Drink some water. But upside down, I can't necessarily do that. Still got the hiccups. Ghost made a face. Still has them. Ghost said, boo, to Skeleton. Sometimes they say if you scare somebody, you scare the hiccups right away. But nothing worked. The hiccups stayed. Then Ghost got smart. He found a mirror and held it up. Whoa, excuse me. Skeleton screamed. Ah! Guess what? The hiccups left. They jumped away. There they go, all jumping away. So there we go. There's our story, Skeleton Hiccups. If we look at this and think about all the different events or things that happened in the story, okay, one of the first ones is that Skeleton took a shower. He brushed his teeth. Polished his bones. He carved a pumpkin. Raked some leaves. Anything to get rid of those annoying hiccups. He played ball with Ghost. He held his breath. He ate some sugar. He put his fingers over his eyes and he drank water upside down. Ghost made a face and then he said boo. And then finally Ghost got the mirror and Skeleton looked in the mirror. So those are a lot of different things that happened in that story. So think about all those different events. Okay, as far as what happened. So that's our story for today, Skeleton Hiccups. And hopefully it'll be a while before you ever, excuse me, must have come back, get the hiccups. But in the meantime, you guys have a good rest of the day. I hope you enjoyed hearing the story, Skeleton Hiccups, as much as I enjoyed reading it to you. All right. See you all later. Have a great day.